In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can check your DV lottery application status. Checking your diversity visa lottery application status is vital to confirm submission accuracy, potential selection, and to stay informed about further steps in the immigration process. It verifies that your application was properly received and provides essential confirmation if you're chosen as a DV lottery winner. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, type in DV lottery. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you will select on this first website. On this page, scroll down onto the option of check status right here. Click on it and you will head onto this page. Just press continue. On this page, you will have to enter your confirmation number. The number you used that was given to you after filling your application. Enter your first name and lastly your year of birth. You will then enter in this code to authenticate. I wish you good luck. That's how easy it is to check for your DV lottery application status. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.